Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. In the previous class, I had explained you what is supplementary angles. Just a short revision, and then we go to further sums. Now, two pair of angles are said to be supplementary angle only if their addition gives you an answer of 180 degree. Now, when we were studying complementary angle, if we had to find the other pair of the angle, we were using the term complement of that angle. For supplementary angle also, now if we have to find the other angle of the supplementary angle, we are going to use the term find the supplement of the supplementary angle. Now if we read this example, find the measure of the supplement of an angle of 135 degree. Now when we say complement, it will be a pair of complementary angle. Since today we are going to study about supplementary angles, we will now study how to find the measure of the supplement of an angle of 135 degree. Now one angle is 135 degree. We have to find the other pair. So let the measure of the supplementary angle be x. One angle is already given as 135. Second angle we are supposed to find. The second angle is the supplement we are supposed to find of 135. So let the measure of the supplementary angle be x. Now if 135 is one angle and x is the other angle, so sum of, that means 135 plus x is equal to 180, as it is a pair of supplementary angle. So the sum of the supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Now you can see 135 plus x minus 135 is equal to 180 minus 135. In the above equation, you can see it is 135 plus x. We need to find the value of x. So only to find x, we need to remove 135. To remove 135, we will subtract the left hand side of the equation by 135. The operator that we are using on the left hand side, same operator has to be used on the right hand side. Now since here we have subtracted minus 135 to the left hand side, right hand side also we will subtract minus 135. Now 135 plus 135 and minus 135 will give you 0. So what remains is x. X is equal to 180 minus 35, which is equal to 45 degree. Now the measure of the supplementary of an angle of 135 is 45 degree. 135 was already given. You had to find the other angle, and after solving the sum, the other angle we get is 45 degree. Now to check whether the answer what we have got is right, what we do is, if we add the given angle and the answer obtained, that is, if we add 135 and 45, if the sum is 180 degree, that means the supplement of 135 is 45 is a true statement. So supplement of 135 is 45 degree. It's exactly same as that of finding the complement of an angle. Now the word problems based on supplementary. A plus 30 and 2a are the measures of two supplementary angles. What is the measure of each angle? Now two angles are already given, and it is also given that they are supplementary. So now what we'll do is a plus 30 plus 2a. will be equal to 180 degree, as they are a pair of supplementary angles. Now when you see the equation, you will take all the a's together and all the numbers together. A plus 2a, you will write it together, and what we get is a plus 2a is equal to 3a plus 30 is equal to 180. Now you can see we only need a, but there is 3a plus 30. So what we'll do is subtract 30 from left hand side. And as it is told, whichever operation you do on the left hand side, same has to be done on the right hand side. 3a plus 30 minus 30 is equal to 180 minus 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So what is left is 3a is equal to 150. Now what you get is 3 multiplied by a is equal to 150. We need only a. So what we'll do is divided by 3. Now when you divide left hand side by 3, you have to divide right hand side also by 3. Hence we get a is equal to 50 degrees. Now this is not the end of the sum. We do not have to find a, we have to find the measure of the two angles. A plus 30 is to be calculated. A is 50, so a plus 30 is equal to 50 plus 30 is equal to 80 degree. 2a, a is 50, so 2a is equal to 2 into 50, which is equal to 100 degree. So the two angles are 50 are 80 and 100. Now to confirm whether it is supplementary or no, 100 plus 80 is equal to 180. So a plus 30 degree and 2a are a pair of supplementary angles, and their measures are 80 degree and 100 degree. I hope I am clear with the supplementary angles. Children, you will copy the solved examples in your maths notebook. Thank you.